Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I've got a really exciting video. I haven't done the video for a while and this tool made me want to do a video again. This one's called Merlin and I actually picked this up. I picked up this tool on Sumo Day. You can see its offer ends at 20 hours. This is the extended hours. You have to be AppSumo Plus to get this. I bought this at the last minute and what I really like about this is a similar tool like Voila. It's an extension, a browser extension with the AI capability, but it's actually more than that. So I'll show you what I'm really interested about on this tool. So this tool, you can chat with documents, you can create images, create your own chatbot, chat with web pages, and do like YouTube summarization, blog summarizations. You can write out any like posts on social medias and then create from YouTube and allow adding like AI personas on your chats. Quickly have a look that it supports this supports like multiple language models. So it's not only ChatGPT, it will have Claude, Mistral, I think that's the other one. And just quickly touching on the pricing point, tier 1 is just 5,000 credits per month. The way they use credit is because there's all these different language models. They can't say which model you have certain words. So one Merlin query is like one ChatGPT 3.5 query. So imagine if you only use like ChatGPT 4 or Claude 3 Optus, it's going to cost you more credits. So there's 3 tiers, and I think the sweet spot is tier 2. You'll have like 12,000 credits, and then you can bring your own OpenAI key for now. Hopefully they'll support the Claude API as well in the future. And this tool is not something new. The reason why I said that is if you look at the Chrome extension, Google Chrome Store, just take a look at the Chrome Web Store. This had like a million users downloaded, and you can see the rating 4.8. So it's a solid tool. You can see there's a lot of good ratings on this. And don't want to compare with Voila right now. That will be another video. But I just want to see the sort of the core features on Merlin. I'm just testing this along because I've just had this installed. And once you pay for Merlin, and activating this on AppSumo is really easy. I just hit like verify or activate now, and then it gets me into the Merlin page, asks me to put in my email, same email address as the one I have on AppSumo. Then it will bring me to this page. It'll tell you that you're on AppSumo tier 2. So if you're logged in, this is the page that you'll see on Merlin. You can switch with the dark mode, light mode as you wish. It'll show you which tier you're on right now. So quickly look at the features on the side. So you got Chat with Merlin, which is a chatbot. I think the interface is just similar to ChatGPT. Here you can tell Merlin that whether you would disable the web access, or if you want to allow access to all like other websites, then click Turbo and then in-depth as well. Here you can choose your language model. So 1 credit is for GPT 3.5, 25 credit will be on GPT 4.0, and vice versa. So you want to use like the best one or the most high usage credit, then it'll be Claude 3 Optus, which is 50 credits per 1 query. The list goes on and on. So it gives you a lot of different language models to work with, which is really, really good. So that's the chat. And then you can generate images. I think it's a side product called Bonkers. So you can see you can create images here. These are I think that's the community photos around. You can select the aspect ratio or what that image you want to post on those platforms. So you can choose that. Here you can even use the prompt magic. So just put in some prompt and it'll help you create a prompt for you. So let's just try something. Let's see how this works. Create an image of a Tesla Model 3 going downhill in an autumn theme. In here, and let's see how that will turn out. And you can see you've got 1,200 images to generate on Bonkers. So, I mean, for $129, you're getting quite a bit. So here are some samples. You can see autumn theme, a Tesla car driving downhill, which is right. And there goes the second one. You can see there's they're using different style. This one's character art. This one's from Vision Blend. Don't know what these are. So I think these might be like the AI creators here. So you get 3 to choose. They look quite decent. I mean, it will be definitely usable. So that's just quickly just touching on the AI art part. So you can create chatbots, like just similar to custom GPT. So you can create chatbots here. Let's see. All right, so you can create chatbots. You give this a name. You give this a name. Let's say prompt optimizer. And then it could be a personal assistant. Continue. Helps you perfect your prompts on AI conversations. Finish. So it creates a bot for you. Alright, so have a look at this. So this is the prompt you have on your chatbot. You can add different layers or given instructions. You can set this to private or you can set this to public, change image. So again, very similar to custom GPT. But today's video, I'm not going to deep dive on the custom chatbots. So I'll show you the other features or the one or the common things I would use for Merlin or the like Chrome AI extension usage. All right, we're in Gmail. You'll notice once you've got Merlin installed, you're going to get this AI button here. So if you want to create a new email and it pops up with this box here, this is the Merlin AI. Notice there's a button here, so it creates a persona. So you tell them who you are and just put in like a little bit of something about yourself. So whenever whenever you use Merlin to write an email, reply an email, it uses those information. So let's say I want to reply this email. I hit reply. I use Merlin. Say no, thank you. For example, I will use just chapter 3. Don't waste my credits here. Yeah, so this might be a bit over too much, so I might just remove this from my bio. I'll just keep my name. But you can see this is how it's used. So that's one. All right, so Facebook, this is also integrated as well. So if you click on any of the posts and you want to type in something, you'll see like all these suggested comments here. Again, that's from Merlin. And you'll be able to see like your credits left, language you want to use, all that stuff. So, and you can choose whether you want to use ChatGPT 3.5 or 4. I think it's the API access, so it's only allowing these 2 language models. You can't use like Claude or the other ones. So that's fine, and we can say something like this. We'll get it to generate something. So it helps you reply a post on or create a post using Merlin. So that's pretty easy. So that's Facebook. All right, jumping into LinkedIn. So if we hit like comments, again, every time, like as a new user on a new platform, you will get this tutorial from Merlin. So it kind of teaches you how to use this. Again, similar to what we saw on Facebook, you get all these sort of suggested prompt, which you can create. I'll write a positive reply here. And then all you have to do is just hit post. Like if you're happy with this, go with it. So I was watching this video, and that's where I got Merlin as well. And using Merlin to summarize the video, I think I just hit this as well. And then it summarizes sort of the whole video for me. So that's really awesome. This is the transcript. So you can see like all these like YouTube extensions with AI is going to be on the right hand side. This one's for Merlin. So it works pretty well. So I can create like a transcript or like even tweet this post. Wonder how this works. So a lot to explore on Merlin AI. I think it works probably better than Voila by just using this at the first time. So it's quite easy to use. If you got this installed, then you can also use a shortcut to make this pop up whenever you need it. So let's say you're just reading something on your email. If you don't want to press these buttons, you don't want to press this, you can actually just use Command M on Mac, Control M on Windows. Of course, you can customize these as well. So go into your shortcut, whether it's Chrome or the Edge, it's pretty easy to access. Then you can activate the extension. I put in Control Command M for Merlin because previously I was using Voila. It's just the Command M. So I'm going to do a comparison video on those two and see how they stack together. But obviously, Merlin would have a lot more features and functions to offer. And don't forget, Merlin also has an iOS mobile app as well, which is pretty cool. So a quick rundown on Merlin. Let's just go back to the sales page, Merlin. This ends in 20 hours or whatever time I'm uploading this. And look at the pricing. $139 for tier 2, 12,000 credits per month. You can bring your own OpenAI key. And this is probably the best deal you can jump on. 5,000 credits is not going to be enough unless you're only using it for like once a day or twice a day. So tier 2 would be awesome for those who are wanting to use a tool like this and replace like ChatGPT Plus, because I think this might even replace the basic ChatGPT functions like uploading documents, chatting with documents. It can create images, but like all the visions and audio stuff, that's probably not there. So depending what you use on ChatGPT, this might be a good replacement because you're just paying $139 lifetime rather than every month $20 a month. That will end up like 200 something for a year, so it pays back off relatively quickly. So there's 60 days money back guarantee on AppSumo. If you don't like it within 60 days, you can cancel it. And if you're on AppSumo Plus right now, you get the 10% off, so that's cool. So you end up paying for, like for example, if I buy this again, it will be $112. So that's it for Merlin. I'll do another video in a more deep dive how I will use it. And I'll see you in the next video.